Alright, so quickly let's go over the basics of Python. So in Python, when you declare a variable, you don't have to declare like CC or C++, like int a equals to something, or int b, or float b equals to something. You don't need to set the data type. You just declare variable 1 equals to 10. So that assigns variable 1 equals to 10, and then var 2 equals to, let's say, apples. Then that makes var2 a string. So let's say var 3 equals to 10.1514. So then that makes var3 a float. So you just need to assign them the values, and they will select the be the data type just like you require. Now you can quickly print them and check variable, or so this is how you print. So you can see these are the values. Accordingly they have been set. Now if you want to add two numbers, let's say a equals to 10, b equals to 5, so you can print directly a plus b. So you can do this operation here and it will just work. 15, you see. So now regarding print, so you can type just in colons. Then if you just put it in things in colons, then you will be able to type like Python is. So you see. So now let's say you want to print variable and a string. Then you can be like value of a plus b is plus b. So you see, let's go over quickly over string. Let's say name. So what is my, let's say this is my name and my surname. So what you can do is full name. You can use underscore, but you can't use plus. So you can have one string, you can have another string, and you can use the plus operator. And what's the outcome? See, they concatenate. So plus operator concatenates, like when it comes to like this strings, it will so when it comes to number it will add, when it comes to string it will concatenate. Now what will it do if I do this? So if you don't want to, so remember, a string is still an array of characters. So what you can do is you can print only a section. So you can start from the second value and you can end from at the seventh value. If you do like that, then it will, this part it has print. You can just go 9 and it will print. You see. So this trick is very handy later. Now let's go to conditions. Let's say x equal to 10. So now what are the operators? First of all, let's get through the operators. Can be print A plus B, we did that. Print A minus B to B. Print B divided by A, and print B modular division of A. So you can just print the values and it will calculate basically. So this is your A plus B 14, A minus B 6. This is A into B 40, 4 into 10. This is your like 4 divided 10 divided by 4, and this is 4 divided by 10, and this is your modular division. So modular operation is basically, let's say this is 9 and let's say this is 2. So whatever 9 divided by 2 is there, the remainder will be your result of your modular operation. So it will come as 1, A divided by B. So let it run, and yeah, the result of 9 divided by 2, so it will come as 4, and the remainder will be 1. So this is the remainder. Okay, so now let's go to conditions. If And with every condition you have to end it with a colon. So if x is greater than, if a is greater than b, print b is print greater than a. So let's say there are two variables, so you just write if a is greater the condition and then the statement. And so basically here a is greater than b. If you want to write something like else if, then you can write elif. So let's say now change the input as then let's make this 12. Now b will be greater than a, and if we make this both 12, then b and a both are equal. See, so now one important thing is you don't use brackets in Python, you use indentation. So you leave some space in the between, so that is considered as inside separate bracket if you are from C or C++. So basically this will run if this condition is satisfied, and this will run if this condition is satisfied. So this, when anything that is in like with some space, which is called indentation, which is, so if anything is indented, then that is under that particular like condition. Now let's say for loop. So let's what is a loop? So a loop is something where we go over a value again and again to repeat something. So what we will do is, so let's say we want to print from 1 to 9. So what we will do is, for x in range 1 and 10, we will print x. Let's see what is x. You see, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all of that is coming. So you can use for loop and put under anything under. Let's say print x into to a. So you have the multiplication of these numbers. So this is pretty much the basics, like variables, conditions, loops. So you can just get this is enough for you to get started in Python. Keep watching this channel for more. Thank you.